Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamara Erskine. I help moms look their best, feel their best, and parent their best in the modern mom age. So today, in celebration of fall, I'm going to show you my DIY fall wreath / porch decor tutorial. I simply am just going to show you what I did, how I created it, and if this is something that you're interested in, stay tuned. I got a vine wreath, a few leaves. I also got some floral bits and some red tulle. That's for the decoration, and then something to hang it with, of course, some scissors and a glue gun. Those were the things I needed. So I gathered those up, started with the vine wreath, and then here I just started trying to take apart the leaves so it'd be easier to work with as I was placing it. Just breaking up everything here so it's ready to go when I am. All of these I got from Hobby Lobby. I began with the bow. So I just made a quick and easy bow, just wrapping it back and forth in my hands. I'm not super fancy with bows, but I do know an easy way to make one, which is to do just this. And then after you've done this part, you loop it around the back side, and then you cut it and tie that part off, and it will make a nice little knot that will keep it all together. And then I just placed the bow on there where I wanted it. I started adding leaves in there to kind of secure it and see how I wanted it to set in place. So creating a natural gradient with the leaves, I just started placing them above and below the bow. I wanted an offset design to make it look balanced but super fancy. I placed this floral bit at the top. On the bottom, I added a few more leaves. You can take whatever you find. It really isn't hard to do. This literally took me all of 15 minutes. I figured out how I wanted it, went back in and glued in mostly the bottom portion so it wouldn't fall out of place as it's hanging on the door. And here's the finished product. And I will show you on my front porch. This is how it came out. It's super, super beautiful. I absolutely love it. I got some pumpkins from Home Depot. They are sugar pumpkins. These particular ones were $3.48 each, which was super affordable. It started off with some paint. I made sure it is acrylic and that it is also outdoor paint. Just clean off the pumpkins. Be sure not to do the portion around the root so it doesn't start to rot. I then start painting all around the pumpkin, just that beautiful red color that I have there. I didn't really have too much plan with it. I wanted to keep it simple, so just paint the whole pumpkin red here. I did want it to match the wreath, which is why I chose this deep of a red color. And I let those dry for a few minutes, and then I went in with the gold. I took the brush here and I started painting upward from the bottom just to create a different pattern. I let these dry for a few minutes and I placed them on my steps. So that does it. I have my pumpkins here. I bought some mums and a planner. The mums were about $5, the planners $2 each. And that went along nicely with my wreath. So quick fall decor that was easy to do in about, I'd say about an hour. So thanks again for watching my tutorial. If you like to see stuff like this, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below so I know that you kind of like it, and I'll do more like this. I really enjoyed making this wreath, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm probably gonna do one for Christmas. So look forward to that. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video.